Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has publicly challenged President Emerson Mnangagwa's alleged plans to extend his term of office beyond the constitutionally mandated 2-term limit, signaling the start of a potentially protracted dispute between the two former close allies. Sanabina mashoko atona chizinzi aiwa chabvondoka apa chatsva kuti vo subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tibina mnaumoni kwa mchinzi, Chiwenga unequivocally told them that their loyalty should be to the party and the people of Zimbabwe rather than to individuals. The statement comes amidst the emergency of a slogan 2030 Mnangagwa vanenge vachipo being chanted by at ZANU-PF rallies, which suggests keeping Mnangagwa as the party's leader even after his term expires. There is no room for factionalism at any level in the party, he said. A party cannot be undermined by being defined in the confines of individuals. I repeat, no factionalism in the party. We are one and shall remain one. Hapana kuti uyu ndomuda uyu andimude tititeseka. Tinoona kuti ndo mashoko anotagwa naJeneral Chiwenga aiwo ari kutsviriridza atiri kuona kuti zvonzi panapa abva aita man up asimuka akati aiwa tingatosangana zvedu face to face, tingatoita man to man, tosangana pakati. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nangu section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.